कि फर्स्ट आप किसी चीज को
We are outside, everyone, and today I'm going to be the first Indian to cop this Travis Jordan collaboration जो अभी recently drop हुआ था। ये पेयर अभी तक इंडिया में किसी के पास नहीं है। मैं आज अनबॉक्स करने वाला हूँ। This is the Travis collaboration with Jordan। दो कलरवेज ड्रॉप हुए थे, एक ट्रॉपिकल पिंक और एक शाई पिंक। Both resale is around 45 to 48,000। मैंने फोमो में एक कलरवे कॉप किया। फोमो पता है ना तुम्हें क्या क्या करवा सकता है। But that's not the color that I want. तो मैं कैसे इस वाले स्नीकर को फ्लिप करने वाला हूँ for a profit, and then how am I going to use that profit to cop the colorway that I actually wanted? The cash is ready. The plug is waiting right there. I'm so excited. Let's go! स्नीकर गेम में ना सारा का सारा खेल होता है प्लग का, और अगर तुम्हारा प्लग सॉर्टेड है तो तुम्हें स्नीकर सबसे पहले मिलता है इंडिया में, बेस्ट प्राइस में मिलता है और रिलायबिलिटी का टेंशन नहीं होता है। एंड मोर देन दैट, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय फर्स्ट एवर ट्रैविस स्नीकर इन माय कलेक्शन। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी एक्साइटिंग। या ब्रो, आई एम हियर जस्ट बिलो द बिल्डिंग। ऑलराइट ऑलराइट। दिख तो नहीं रहा है, कहां पर है बंदा? ओह, ही इज Bro, I am so excited. Let's go. Thank you so much.
You're the first Indian to cop these.
First Indian, like, man, all because of you, my G. Guys, I am so excited to check this out. Let's go. No trashing. Oh man, what a clean box. You know that feeling when you cop the first Travis of your life with your hard-earned money and you get it at such a good price. Guys, bro is waiting for the payment. Bhai, just do it. I'm just sharing my excitement with my audience, you know. Let's go. The tropical pink. Bro, have you ever had the smell? भाई क्या soft suede है. Look at the build, man. Oh, the extra laces. There are two extra laces, the pink and the red ones.
Oh, hell no, man.
I am so happy. The sale colored laces. Oh, look at this. On the shoe tongue, there is a heart right here. Bhai, kya new stuff coming in. You know, this thing, when the sneakerheads actually smell the sneaker, there is actually a technicality behind that. You really come to know whether the sneaker is legit or not. मैं in any case अभी ये check करने वाला हूँ through the legit check app after I settle this guy. I mean, we'll do that. Everything is fine, looks good. Extra laces, packaging is good, all sorted. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll see you. Thank you so much, bro. Huh? Oh, payment. Bhai, sorry bro, sorry. Like, I just forgot in the excitement. Yeah, I've got the cash ready. I'm going to pay you right away. For 40?
Yeah, 40.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, thank you.
40. All right, I'll see you.
Check it. I trust it.
Yeah, thank you so much, bro. Finally, I have the pair after so many days. भाई, I getting 40,000 में ये Travis Tropical Pink. तो मैंने बताया था ना कि ये मेरा FOMO में लिया हुआ decision था because I was not getting the Shy Pink. Shy Pink is my favorite color, not the Tropical Pink. But मुझे लगा कि यार miss out नहीं करूँ, इसलिए 40K में ये ले लिया. Now here is the smart move that I've done. I have posted a want to sell story for this on SmartKicks Market for 50,000 rupees. I already have an offer for 48,000 rupees. 47 में I'll move this 7,000 का profit and I will buy Shy Pink for around, let's say, 42 or 43,000 rupees. और उसमें से 7,000 minus कर दो. Whatever is left is my best deal for Shy Pink. Nothing better than this deal. ये तुम भी कर सकते हो, बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. It's just about following the right pages, right profile and knowing the prices of the sneaker. पहले जब ये पेयर रिलीज हुआ था US में, early pairs का काफी सारा डिमांड आया था and then people were selling it for around 80,000 rupees and I honestly don't fall in for early pairs because, you know, honestly it is a scam. Most of the pairs that come in through early pairs are fake and I don't want to get into that. That's why मैं हमेशा अपने plug पे rely करता हूँ. Also, I'm going to show you how I legit check my pairs. So I have this app. I'm just going to run this screen right here. Check app. I have been using this app for quite a while now. So first, start a new check. Sneakers, Jordan, and Jordan में Jordan 1. So make sure that you click the right pictures. There you go. Size tag left. Insole left. Left is this. Back side. This side of the insole. Now this one is the most important part और ये ना किसी को नहीं समझ में आता है. It is the box code. The box code is always on the inner side. Then I have uploaded all the images and okay, I get 4 options. You can see here 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 2 hours. Obviously, I'll go for 5 minutes. I'm not going to wait for fucking 2 hours. I'm going to just go ahead with 5 minutes. Let's see. I'm very excited. Like most of it, I know कि भाई मेरा plug बहुत trusted है. But ये तो मैं आप लोगों को information दिखाने के लिए I wanted to show कि how to legit check. The request is submitted. You can see. I'll just have to wait for 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
This is what I enjoy doing the most, picking new sneakers. I mean, imagine picking up brand new Travis pair. That to your first sneaker. What else do you want? Actually, मैं पैसे सेव कर रहा था 6-7 महीने से. मुझे पता था ये पैर आने वाला है. Because I remember in February at an Apple event, Tim Cook had flexed this sneaker. भाई ये बंदे के पास सारे पैर्स पहले आ जाते हैं. Then later after research, I found out that this guy is also on the board of directors of Nike. Bro, I love this heart shape. Look at this. His heart and arrow here. भाई सस्पेंस क्यों बन रहा है? इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है यार. ये प्लग. What? नहीं भाई. No, I'm not doubting my plug, bro. Time remaining to completion 37, 36, 35, 34. What's going to happen in the last 30 seconds? Oh, okay, finally it's here. It's here. Look at the screen here, guys. It's pass. And I was rest assured कि ये तो कोई सीन नहीं है भाई. But I am so happy finally. But अब मैं वेट करने वाला हूँ कि मैं कैसे इसको फ्लिप कर सकता हूँ. Because that's where the real game is. 7,000 या 8,000 का भी अगर प्रॉफिट मैंने इस पे बना लिया, I can use that money to actually get the shipping, which I might get in the next 1 week. So कुछ डिटेल्स हैं जो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन करने वाला हूँ. चेकआउट कर लेना. If you really want to cop sneakers, where do you want to get it from, and all the step-by-step processes to find out if your pair is legit or not, and also कि क्या बातों का ध्यान देना चाहिए if you're out there to cash out or to buy sneakers from anyone random. Keeping that thing in mind, I want you guys to stay with me on this YouTube journey because I've been making content for what 6 years now, and recently I started vlogging. 100 vlogs coming in 2026. Also अगर एक बात तुमने ध्यान दी होगी, यहाँ पर एक चार्ट प्ले कर रहा हूँ. हार्ट रेट का चार्ट है भाई. जब मैं उस बंदे को मिला था and when I got the pair and I got excited, look at the heart rate, how it spiked at that point, all because of this Google Fitbit. I've been using it for past 3 days now और 2-3 runs कर चुका हूँ मैं. 7 days use करने वाला. I'm going to run, swim, sleep, recover, everything with this Google Fitbit, and I'm going to bring out a review, an honest review कि ये सच में Whoop से बेटर है या इसमें फिगर्स अच्छे आते हैं कि नहीं आते. Because I also use Garmin Forerunner 45, तो कंपेयर कर सकते हैं फिगर्स. Are you guys excited for this? This is available in India now, but again through a plug. I will share all the details in the description, but you guys stay with me. I need your support. और अगर तुम अभी तक देख रहे हो और अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, you know the drill. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.